So I decided to do a little bit of an experiment on my 22 long. I was getting a lot of black beard algae, a bunch of different things going badly. So I stuck some plants in it to try to take up any extra nutrients. And I thought, well, I have all the lights up here. I'll start a little area that I can do some time-lapse photography. So plants growing and things to that effect. But this is what happened to the aquarium. Kind of got a little overgrown with the both us up top, although the Jack Dempseys seem to like it just fine. This is our medium-sized little fella, and I think the big one should be hanging out over here somewhere. Oh, there he is. He looks a bit grumpy sometimes. So anyway, all the other plants seem to be growing well in here, even with all of the extra stuff up top blocking all the light. But I do have some grow lights fairly close to the top, as you can see there. And this is my DIY sort of filter setup. So I've got a pump there and just those cheap-ass Sun canisters that don't have a pump on them, and so they are being sort of sucked by this pump, and then that goes down into the tank.